Cranial osteopathy is a gentle hands on therapy that works with the body's natural rhythms and subtle movements of the skull. It helps to release in deep rooted tension, improve nervous system's balance, and supports the body's self healing mechanism. We often use this for stress management, headaches, and trauma recovery. It focuses on the whole body connection. This therapy is a non invasive and deeply calming, often leaving patient in a meditative healing state. So, cranial osteopathy works on the principle that small rhythmic motions in the cranial bones and surrounding tissues reflects the health of the entire body. By tuning into this subtle movement, the osteopath can detect areas of restriction or imbalance and gently guide the body's awareness towards to release. This approach is not only support physical recovery but also influence emotional well-being and internal regulation. It is especially beneficial for conditions rooted in chronic stress, post trauma, or nervous system dysregulation.
Relax and ease.
Take a deep breath. Exhale. Feeling better? Okay, ma'am. धीरे धीरे उठ जाइए. Done for today.